Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking to create professional eye-catching cartoon videos without spending hours on animation or hiring a team of designers? Then stay tuned because today I am diving into Kling AI, a powerful tool that makes cartoon videos creation fast, easy and fun. So let's get started. So what is Kling AI? Kling AI is an AI-powered video generation tool designed for creators, educators, marketers and businesses. Its standout features is the ability to turn your ideas into engaging cartoon videos in just a few clicks. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, Kling AI intuitive interface has something for everyone. So first pick a template. Kling AI offers tons of pre-designed templates tailored for different niches. From explainer video to social media ads, let's go with a business piece template for the example. Now comes the fun part. Creating your characters, you can adjust features like skin tone, hairstyle, outfit, and even add accessories. Alright, so before jumping into the video, if you are first time here, I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos for you how you can make money online, how you can start your YouTube journey, and how you can start your freelancing career, okay, and different AI tools. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to introduce a tools. It's called Kling AI. Today I'm going to show you how we can create image to video. That's mean how we can create a cartoon video from image. All right, as I said, you will get lots of pre-designed template. You can use this kind of templates. All right, it's a different kind of videos and different kind of images. So you will see AI images, okay, AI videos, video editor. All right, so we are going to create a image using Leonardo AI because I want to create stunning image and then I want to create a video. So how we can do this? So in this video I'm going to show you step by step. Number one is I'm going to create a script. That's mean cartoon video script, cartoon image script using ChatGPT. And number two, I'm going to use very famous and popular tools. It's called Leonardo.ai. In these tools I will create images. And number three, I will use Kling AI using this kind of images and create image to video. That's been cartoon video. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I am going to use ChatGPT, and I wrote it here. You can write it like as you want. Okay, I want to create AI cartoon image through Leonardo AI. Write 3 image script. So here we go. The image script 1, tech savvy cartoon make, and this is the second one, image script 2, also whim scale cartoon explorer, and this is number 3, image script 3, futuristic cartoon inventor. This is the description. Okay, first of all I'm going to copy this description and I want to create an image. Okay, so let's copy the. So first time getting started, would you like to quick tour of image creation? No thanks. So you can also finish it. Okay, so it's an intro guide. Okay, so first time this will help you to get started. Okay, no problem. Okay guys, so this is the type prompt. That's mean we already generated 3 prompts over here using ChatGPT. So I just copied the first one and then paste it here. Just I'm going to paste the first prompt over here. Alright, so as a free account you will get 150 credits. Okay, and for this image it will deduct 25 credits. Okay, no problem at all. So let's check out the left hand sidebar and you will see the featured model and preset. So let's select the number 1 and prompt enhance auto, dynamic style, okay, contrast medium, and also generate mode is fast because it's a quality, and ultra it will get a premium. So we don't have any premium, it's a free. And image dimension, which is really important, you can create a mobile version, you can create a laptop desktop version. Okay, and right now it's a Instagram or Facebook. So I'm going to click on 16:9. It's a version for YouTube, and number of images 4. That's mean using this prompt, this tool, that's mean Leonardo will create 4 images. Okay, all right, so everything is done. So now it's time to create the image. So click on generate. So which one is perfect? So I think this one is perfect more. So you can download from here. So I think this one is perfect. So click on this, remove the first one. That's mean the first script. We already generated the first script, and I'm going to paste the second script and then just click on generate. Alright guys, so another 4 images already generated. It's amazing. So I think this one, the first one is really cool. So let's download the image. Alright guys, so as you noticed, the token already detected. Okay, so we had 150, right now 102. Okay, so if you noticed, your daily allocation for free fast tokens reset in 16 hours. That's mean each and every 16 hours later you will get 150 token. It's amazing. So let's go back to our third script, and I'm going to copy the third script from ChatGPT, and let's go back to Leonardo AI and just remove the second one, and then paste it here and click on generate. Alright guys, this is the third image they are generating. I think it's almost done. So I think which one, I think this one is perfect, the first one. Okay, so let's download the image. Alright guys, so we have 3 images, so let's create the video using these images. Okay, so let's go back to Kling AI. Alright, so alright guys, the very first thing, AI videos. So click on AI videos. Alright guys, this is the dashboard. You will see the Kling 1.6 new. Okay, so make sure you are using Kling 1.6. Here you can see the 3 options available here: text to video, alright, and image to video. So we are going to create a cartoon videos. Already we generated 3 images using Leonardo, and it's time to create image to video. Okay, so as a free account you will get 360 credits or token as Leonardo. Okay, so let's drop our first. Alright guys, and make sure the supported file JPG or PNG files up to 10 megabyte with minimum dimensions 300 pixels. Okay, scroll down and you will see the image that we already created and I already uploaded here, and you will see the start button settings. It's important. Mood, it's a standard mode. Okay, and duration of 5 seconds as a trial version, and also we can create 10 seconds, but you have to upgrade your premium account. Camera movement perfect. Okay, so it's time to generate the video, and if you generate the video 20 credits will be deducted. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Click on generate. So our video is ready. This is the video. It was our image, and this is the video, 5 seconds video. Wow, it's amazing. Alright guys, another interesting thing is if you want to add some audio, that's mean how we can do this. So here you can see the lip synchronizing, so click on that and you will input the text. That's mean I'm going to write it here. Hi, good morning everyone, how are you all doing? Good to see you all, thank you, and subscribe for more videos. And let's click on Candy. Okay,
Hi, good morning everyone. How are you all doing? Good to see you all. Thank you. And subscribe for more videos.
alright, so this is the second image, or I think third image. Okay, no problem. So let's click on generate. So I will create another video how we can create text to video using Kling AI. Alright.